हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम करने वाले कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग कोर के लिए और इन एक्सरसाइजेस को करना सुपर इजी है। और अगर आपको बैक पेन का इशू रहता है और आप डरते हैं कि एक्सरसाइज करने से आपका बैक पेन बढ़ जाएगा, तो ये एक्सरसाइजेस आपके लिए स्पेशली बहुत यूजफुल हैं, क्योंकि इन एक्सरसाइजेस को करने से आपके बैक पर बहुत मिनिमम प्रेशर पड़ता है। धीमे धीमे आपके बैक में, आपके कोर में स्ट्रेंथ बिल्ड होगी, जिससे आपकी ओवरऑल कोर स्ट्रांग होगा, आपकी बॉडी में एजिलिटी और फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बिल्ड होगी। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। साइड ट्विस्ट, इसके लिए मैंने कुछ वेट लिया है। आप वाटर बॉटल भी ले सकते हैं या विदाउट वेट भी कर सकते हैं। फीट शोल्डर विड्थ अपार्ट, हैंड स्ट्रेट एंड सिर्फ अपर स्पाइन को ट्विस्ट करिए एंड फ्रंट। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल स्लोली, controlled movement as far as you can go. We'll do this exercise for 30 seconds, and as we are doing both sides, so we'll do it for 1 minute. As much as you can. Try to keep your hands parallel to the ground, at shoulder level, and twist. Look front and twist. Few more to go. Break for 10 seconds, and next we will do side crunches. So again, for side crunches, come like this, body straight and crunch as much as you can. Try to bring your knees to elbows like this, but if you are unable to lift it so high, that is also fine. A small lift is fine. Keep doing it. Inhale and exhale. See how it is working on your obliques. Good job. Other side. No break. Hold. You can also take support from wall or any other thing next to you. A chair. Look front and knees to elbow. As much as you can. Everyone is so different. No two bodies are same. So just do whatever is comfortable for you. But keep moving. 10 seconds break. Knee to chest. Bring your hands here and as much as you can. Slow, controlled movement. Look front. If required, take support from wall or anything next to you and keep moving. Crunch. See how it is working on your front ab muscles. Few more to go. It's pretty windy here. You can see. If you are tired, just pause the video, take break, take few deep breaths and start again. Good job. 10 seconds break. Now we'll come on floor. Inch warm. Put your hands down. Come into plank position like this. Body straight, core engaged, and go back. Come up. Hands down again. Weight on your hands like this. Core straight and slowly come up. Always focus on your breathing, how you are breathing, that is very important while doing exercises. And come up. Good job. 10 seconds break. And now we'll come again on floor. So we'll come like this in a plank position and we'll do slow mountain climbers. And we'll start now. Slow. 1, always remember you have to squeeze your glutes. You have to push your belly button towards your back and slow, controlled movement. No pressure on your back. Take it easy and good job. 10 seconds break. Now we'll do bird dog for this tabletop position. Take your leg and hand straight away and bring them close. And like this. Slow controlled movement and we'll start now. Hand up and close. Like this and close. Back straight, no pressure on your back and squeeze. Take them away and bring them close. Slow, keep breathing. And the last one. Good job. Opposite leg. No break in between. And start. Inhale and exhale. Few more to go. As much as you can. Take your leg. Bring it parallel to the ground. Hand parallel to the ground. And like this. And last one. Good job. 10 seconds break. Lie down on the floor and we'll do Superman. And 1, 2, 3, we'll start now. Lift your head, upper body and leg together up. Don't fold your knees. Up. 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 1, 2 and slowly come down. Hold for 2 seconds and come down. Up. Hold for 2 seconds, come down. Few more. Good job. 10 seconds break. We'll do roll-ups for that. Come here. Put your legs here, go down, hands on your knees and we'll just lift our shoulder blades like this. For me the floor is uneven, so adjust yourself and like this. Just lift your shoulder blades and see how your ab muscles are getting engaged. Squeeze, back well rested on the ground and we'll start now. So roll ups, up. Squeeze your abs, back well rested on the ground. Just lift your shoulder blades. Just lift your shoulder blades up and down like this and down. Squeeze your abs and up. Core fully engaged. Keep breathing. Up. No pressure on the neck, no pressure on the back. And the last one. And good job. 10 seconds break and then we'll do bridges. So for that, again, legs like this. And we'll slowly go up. So, and we'll start now. Go up and down. Up, squeeze your glutes, engage your thighs and slowly go down. Few more. Up, squeeze and go down. Up, squeeze and down. Slow controlled movement, no rush. Always focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, squeeze and down. Core engaged. And the last one, slowly come down. Good job. And now we are on the last exercises, which is plank, a super easy exercise to do and it works on your full body. So again, elbow below shoulders, body in a straight line, core engaged, and we'll start now. Keep breathing. Push your belly button towards your back, squeeze your glutes, and you have to push your toes down, and this will help you to stay in a straight line. Hold it. We are just doing it for 30 seconds, so don't give up, and this is the last exercise. And slowly come down. Good job. ये एक्सरसाइजेस सुपर सिंपल हैं और अभी हमने इन एक्सरसाइजेस को सिर्फ 30 सेकंड्स के लिए करा है. फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट्स के लिए मैं सजेस्ट करती हूँ आप ये पूरा सीक्वेंस एक और बार करिए. इस सीक्वेंस को अपने डेली रूटीन में इंक्लूड करिए. आपको कैसे रिजल्ट्स मिल रहे हैं हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा है तो इसे लाइक करिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.